Hello everyone, my name is Lima and welcome to my business administration e-portfolio. This portfolio is a final result of everything I learned during this trimester, and it brings together my assignments, frameworks, weekly work, mind maps, and my final executive summary. Here on the main page, you can see a short introduction, my photo, and also a quote from Elon Musk: "Great companies are built on great products." Also, you can see two companies I selected for my capstone project, Uber and Yandex.Go. I chose them because they represent two different approaches to mobility services, one global and one local. This contrast helped me analyze strategy, innovation, and business models more effectively. The next one is storytelling. I described how Uber changed the global ride-hailing industry with digital innovation, dynamic pricing, and cashless systems, and how Yandex.Go, starting from a local navigation service, became a super app for taxis, delivery, and couriers in Kazakhstan and other CIC countries. This storytelling helps explain the background of both companies and the context for my deeper analysis. Theory entry page. In this part of my portfolio, I applied two theoretical frameworks: global integration and local responsiveness, and core competence model. About global integration and local responsiveness, this framework helps explain why Uber use this standardized global model, while Yandex.Go customizes its services to local culture and regulatory conditions, especially in Kazakhstan. Core competence model. This model highlights what gives each company its competitive advantage. For Uber, it's algorithmic efficiency, global brand impact, and advanced optimization. For Yandex.Go, it's strong mapping, accuracy, super app structure, and local market adaptation. Artifact page. Here I included a visual chart called the Innovation and Technology Index. This chart compares both companies in terms of technology, sophistication, and operational maturity. Uber ranks higher because of its global infrastructure and advanced AI systems. Yandex.Go performs strongly in regional optimization but operates on a more localized scale. This artifact helps visualize the difference between global innovation and regional practicality. Core strategic advantage page. This section explains the fundamental strengths of each company. Uber's strengths of its global integrated digital ecosystem, scalable, fast, and efficient. Yandex.Go's advantage is its deep understanding of the Kazakhstan and CIC market, which global brands sometimes like. Comparison side page. Here I compared Uber and Yandex.Go across several parameters: core business, business model, key competencies, innovation, and technology. Uber is global, first, and highly standardized. Yandex.Go is localized and very customer-oriented for the regional market. This comparison helped me identify their strengths and limitations more. This is my mini recommendation page. Based on my analysis, I suggested that Yandex.Go could adopt selective AI tools from Uber, especially predictive demand algorithms. This would help them minimize wait times, optimize driver allocation, and remain competitive while still preserving their local focus. And also, this is my referencing. The next page is about me. On this page, I wrote a brief introduction about myself. Throughout this course, I have developed a stronger understanding of how business operates, how decisions are made, and how to work next to real-world companies. This portfolio also shows my growth in analytical thinking, research, and presenting my information clearly. The next page is my assignments. This section includes many of my weekly assignments, such as business report, argumentative essay, photo essay, like this. They show my consistency during the trimester and how I applied course concepts week by week. Each task helped me build the foundation I needed for the final project. The next page is my practical and lecture frameworks. Here you can see many my assignments that I did on my lessons. Next page is my executive summary page. This page contains my final executive summary report. It combines storytelling, theoretical analysis, charts, comparison sites, and recommendations into one complete document. This report reflects my understanding of the companies and connects real business cases to course concepts. Next, I would like to show my SIS page. SIS stands for Student Insight Summary. This section contains my weekly reflections for each topic we studied during the trimester. Every week I summarized the key concepts we learned in class, explained them in simple words, and wrote a short reflection on how this knowledge connects to real business situations. For example, I reflected on topics like ethics, global markets, entrepreneurship, HR management, finance, and many more. SIS helped me not only understand the material better, but also think about how I can apply these ideas in my future career. This part of my portfolio shows my continuous learning progress, critical thinking, and my ability to connect theory with real-life examples. The next page is my mind maps book. This section contains all 17 mind maps I created from the Introduction to Business textbook. Each mind map shows one chapter in a clear visual structure. Creating them helped me understand major topics like economics, management, marketing, operations, finance, and career planning. They were useful both for studying and for connecting ideas across the course. The last one, my page, is company profiles. Here I added short and clear profiles of Uber and Yandex.Go, including what they do, their markets, and their key business strategies. This helped me structure the companies before analyzing them in the executive summary. To conclude, this e-portfolio represents my learning journey through this 10-week course. I gained practical skills in analysis, research, writing, and strategic thinking. And I learned how to apply theories from business administration to real companies in a meaningful way. Thank you for watching my presentation.